Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to change photo ratio on Chromebook. The first thing you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner and you are going to select launcher. After doing that, you are going to type in camera in the search bar right here. Then you are going to select camera. Once you have done that, it will automatically open up. Then you are going to tap on the settings cog in the left hand corner, as you can see right here. Then you are going to select photo aspect ratio, and from here you can change the photo ratio, as you can see right here, to 16:9 or square. Then you will be able to take the photo, or you can record a video, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.